Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to send money from one Payit to another Payit. I'm also going to show you how to send money from Payit to any other UAE bank. Some of you also want to send money back home. Stick around. At the end of this video, I'll show you how you can use Payit to do that in just 2 minutes. So, as you can see, I'm already logged into my Payit account. All you have to do is click here where you see send money. And there we are with 4 options. First being pay friends, UAE bank transfer, international transfer, and home country transfer. So, let's start by paying friends, which is sending money to people that already have a Payit account. Once you click on pay friends, all your saved contacts, that is your friends who have a valid Payit account, will be shown under. As you can see, scroll a little bit down, you can see all the names in my contacts that can receive money using Payit. For the purpose of this video, let me send some money to my friend Navid here. Yes, he is my friend and at the same time my supervisor. So let me input the amount I want to send to him. Let me send 353. You can also add a note like thanks. Okay. And when that is done, you can just click the pay it button, the button below in the purple color. Then confirm your transaction by either using your Face ID or inputting your password. And that is how you send money from one Payit account to another Payit account. Now let us see how do you send money from your Payit account to any other UAE bank. Still, you will click on the send money button and again go to the menu. Select UAE bank transfer. Input the amount of money you want to send and then click done or next. So let me input 1,355 and then click next. By the way, also click the subscribe button. Thank you. This is my account that I want to send money to and it is already saved into the beneficiary list. If you want to send to a new account that is not saved already, you will have to add it into this beneficiary list by clicking add new beneficiary. So go ahead and input the full name and the IBAN number of the account you want to add. And remember, you'll have to wait for around 4 hours for this operation to be approved. For the purpose of this video, let me select my account, which is already added into my beneficiary list. Okay, so select this account and then confirm. Same, input your password or use your Face ID to authorize this transaction. And that is how you send money to any UAE bank using your Payit application. As you can see here, this is the transaction status right now. Transfer initiated. It will turn green once this transfer is processed. Lastly, let us see how you can send money back to your home country. Remember, you can send money back to India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Nigeria, Kenya, Uganda, Ghana, and so many other countries. On the send money main menu, when you select home transfer, your home country by default is already set, as you can see here. Also, you can use the search bar and search the country to which you want to send the money to. Since many of you, my friends, come from India, so let me use India as an example here. You can see we have Easy Bank Transfer and we have Express Bank Transfer. By the way, if you come from India, drop in the comments which state do you come from. And also, if you come from Pakistan, both Shukriya, Merajan. Back to sending money, you see if I'm sending 1,000, you'll be receiving 222,751. Unfortunately, money in my account is finished. That's why it's showing insufficient funds to make this payment. But if you have money in your account, you just click the Pay It button, and this is exactly how you send money to India and any other country using the Pay It application. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you so much.